Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting 2 minutes to avoid airbags or electronics tripping. Once done, use a plastic trim tool to pry up the gear selector trim. You'll feel clips release. Work one side at a time so you don't crack plastic. Next, remove the cup holder insert and unbolt the 10mm screws under it and the rear ashtray cover. Keep screws grouped so reinstall is straightforward. With the top trims off, lift the armrest and disconnect USB and 12V connectors. Press the release tab so you don't pull wires. Then remove the side trim panels. There's a T20 screw and several hidden clips, so work along the seam to avoid breaks. Once front fasteners are out, ease the console rearwards. You'll encounter the main wiring harness. Pause and locate its clip, depress it, and unplug. This prevents damage when you finally lift the console free. After unplugging harnesses, remove the last bolts under the console base and lift the unit straight up using both hands to keep it level. This avoids snagging trim. As you lift, inspect and label every connector so reconnection is fast and error-free. If the console binds and won't clear, stop and search for hidden screws under rubber mats, behind vents, or inside glove box pockets. Reinstalling without spotting them risks broken clips. One tip: cleaning contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.